Hello. How you doing? I'm Steve.
I'm Frank.
Pleased to meet you. This is awesome. Can I film a little bit of it?
Sure.
How long did it take you to make all this?
2 years.
Wow. Dude, that is wicked. That is awesome. You got guns around back.
He said this Cadillac was gold. He didn't say it was 10 years old.
That's awesome.
A lot of people want pictures of this machine. I don't know why.
It's because it's unique. And does the TV work?
Well, I'm just delivering it to my wife.
Oh, very cool.
She's up in a nursing home on the street.
How long you guys been married?
63 years.
Congratulations.
I've been married in 1953. Wow. We're still married. But
Very cool. That's awesome.
It's been a good marriage.
That's all that matters, man.
3 lovely daughters.
Very cool.
Yeah. I visit her every day. I go up and have breakfast or supper with her.
That's too cool. You don't hear about things like that anymore.
Not many marriages last that long.
I know. 15 years with my wife and I, so we're still
You've
going.
been a long time?
15.
15?
Yeah.
Well, that's good.
It's a start.
You make it that long.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Remember, they're the boss,
I
right?
hope you'll do.
Awesome. Thank you for sharing your. This is awesome. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day. That was awesome. 53 years married, still going strong. Visits her every day in the retirement home. So way to go. Only at Luxurious.